Hi, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to share with you, I don't know what. How it came, I couldn't tell by the return address what it is. It just has their address and that's it. So, let's open this up. Oh, here it comes. Oh, okay. It's the one I can't pronounce. Trouvailles. Trouvailles. Anybody know how to pronounce it? This is one of my newer ones, and it takes a long time to get here because it comes from Canada. Oh, so this month it's up on Russia. And I've been to Russia when it was still the Soviet Union, and then I've been to Russia a few years ago when it was no longer. Should be goodies. There's the little pamphlet. So inside, let's see, it's got, of course, all kinds of information about different things in Russia. Oh, my goodness. Oh! That was stuff. Just saw something that's in it. The rest of the stuff is in it. Oh, and then talk about the Bolshoi Ballet, which I've been to. That's about all that's on there that I'm familiar with. Well, let's get started. First off, we have something. I don't know what it is. Let's see what it says here on that, because it's all in Russian on it. It's dill pickle rye rusks with tartar dipping sauce. Listen to Bob. A uniquely Russian twist on snack food. These rye rusks, or snack croutons, are flavored with the taste of dill pickle and include a small dipping sauce tray within the bag. Pickling has a long history in Russia, used to keep food preserved through long winters, often consumed with a glass of vodka. That'll be Bob's. And what is this? Another thing that we don't know. It's all in Russian. Let's see. Is that a cake? No, it's almost like Rice Krispie treats. Oh, here it is. Okay, let's see what it is. What does it say? It says, oh, it's sunflower seeds. Russia is officially the world's second biggest sunflower seed producer, second only to Ukraine, and either squeezed as oil or right from the shell is a favorite taste throughout the country. Kozenak, a fondly remembered childhood treat. Hello. Where was it? Sold by street vendors, is similar to sesame or peanut brittle, but crowned with the beloved sunflower seed. Well, let me try some of it. Not right now, but what you think, Lou? Surprised you came back here. Really surprised. Then we've got this little thing. This looks like a little bracelet, which will go in the giveaway because I don't wear bracelets. What do they say about it? Officially, oh, it's a Baltic amber bracelet. Officially part of the country, but nestled between Poland and Lithuania on the Baltic Sea, Kaliningrad Oblast is separated from the rest of Russia by almost 400 kilometers. Locals there make these bracelets from high-quality Baltic amber, which is fossilized tree resin. She's sniffing those things I said Bob would like. They were formed 44 million years ago in a variety of naturally occurring colors and sure to add pop to any outfit. Keep away from direct heat and extreme temperatures. Store in a cloth bag or cloth-lined box. Well, this isn't stored that way. This will go in the giveaway. And we have what is it? You know, and I can't tell if I'm holding them upside down sometimes even. See anything you can read? Okay, it's a honey spice cake with sweet filling. The city of Tula is most well known for its glazed, jam-filled spice cakes, individually stamped with ornate decoration. The perfect tea time accompaniment The tulip puranic history dates back to the 17th century in the city's weapons trade. In periods of downtime, local gunsmiths created ever more complicated metal mold stamps for their favorite sweet treat. Bob and I'll share it. Okay, now here comes the goodies that I'm excited about. Here is a, what's in it? It's got a little thing on it, a little seal. Anywhere else? It's giving a little, but well, let me see what it says about it. See if I should get it open now. Oh, there's tea in it. Okay, well, I don't want to open it now. It's a Fabergé-inspired tin egg with Malskali black tea. Fabergé eggs were introduced to the courts of Tsars Alexander III, Nicholas II, soon developing into a national craze throughout Russia. Uses Fabergé-inspired tin egg is a perfect hiding spot. It's safe to keep in full sight, and surprise! Until then, enjoy the high-quality Ceylon tea tucked inside, which Russians typically enjoy with jams as a sweetener. I'm not a tea drinker, but my daughter is, and she's coming soon, so I'll give her the tea. Then the thing that really caught my eye was a little... Now, those of you who've been watching me a long time know I have a collection of these kinds of dolls. So let's see what they say about this one. I'm not going to open it all up. It says, one of Russia's most recognizable handicrafts, Matryoshka dolls recall the country's history of large peasant families led by strong mother figures. These hand-painted ladies are typically embellished with designs that are rich in symbolism and history, from specific flowers to their dress style and even famous landmarks. Best of all, each doll is full of surprises. So there's 5 in here. I don't think I can open it. Oh, I can open it, so that just... Yeah, so you just keep opening and opening. So this is going to go up with my collection at home. I don't know if we got it on right. So that's it. What do you think? When I edit it, I will put what I paid for it. And again, it's called Trouvailles. I don't know. It's probably pronounced somehow in French, of which I have no knowledge of. So, you know what to do. Comment, share, like, subscribe. And I hope you're all having a good day. I love you all. Bye.